Today is day one of my Scrunchie studio warehouse organization, I guess, or putting it together. So stay tuned to see how this first day goes. See you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. For those of you that are new, my name is Lamiel. I am the Scrunchie creator, jewelry maker, hopefully influencer here at OMG & Co. And welcome to my channel. So today I am moving into my Scrunchie studio / warehouse. It is day one. And back in January, I don't know if you can see this, I created some blueprints so that I could move out of my bedroom, the corner in my bedroom, making scrunchies and shooting videos into a much bigger space. So we have a garage. No one parks in the garage. We just store things in our garage. So my husband was gracious enough to let me convert a part of our garage into a Scrunchie studio / warehouse. So I have ordered some items from Amazon, in addition to items that I've already had for my scrunchies and shelving that I've had for my other business. I'm going to use that to try to transform a portion of this garage into a Scrunchie studio. So I'll set up the camera so that you can see how day one goes. Hopefully I can get a lot done today. Not sure how much I can get done, but I'm going to try. So let's get started. So as I mentioned in a previous video, there is an elliptical machine in here, a balance beam that is behind me, and we have an exercise bench as well as an inversion table. So over here, this is where I plan on putting my scrunchie bins and probably my shipping station. I've already kind of marked the floor as to where I want my bins to go. And I have some shelving, and then I have a little space here. Over there to the right is ribbon, hair bow items for my hair bow business. So I am going to try my best to convert this section. And then over to the left is another section. This is one of my shelves here. I have another shelf and 2 tables. So I'm going to try to convert this section over here into my little office nook space. And I have to get rid of some of this stuff over here. Yes, that's the inversion table, for those of you that may be wondering what in the world is that contraption. And I also have an air compressor. It is mine. I used to etch glass. So I use that to blow sand or little particles into glass to sketch or etch out the glass. So I am going to go ahead, get started, set up the camera, and see how far I can go, or how far I can get. finish this first rack or shelf system. I have one more to do, but I'm about to take a break. As I stated earlier, I have to go cook dinner. So yeah, I'll get my husband to double check, make sure I secured everything. But that's about it for now. I'm just going to see how it works where I want it to go. So as of right now, I want it to go the way it is, where it is right now. Kind of like this. But we'll just have to see if I decide to change it So yeah, but that's it for now.